All right, we're using the Dupray Neat, and we're doing a little apartment, and we've already done the living room. We actually did the living room a couple weeks ago, and we had a video. We did the living room and the sofa, and
well,
it was
the guy
even.
that's hired us to do this, we know him, and he had a German Shepherd, and something happened, and he gave the dog away about 2 weeks ago, and the German Shepherd, he never quite got it potty trained, so it went to his bathroom along his house, and he was having us out here every 2 or 3 weeks to clean up after it, and now that he got rid of the dog, he just wants to get a good cleaning and then have it done like every 3 months thereafter. Because he just wants to know that it's cleaned up after the dog left for the final time. So
Yeah, so we didn't do the hall or the bedroom last time we were here, so we're coming back and doing this. We're doing it in installments, which is fine.
well, we're doing the whole carpet for him because he's finally got rid of his dog, and he just wants to have his house right, his carpets and stuff. Which is good. I respect people who want to keep their homes clean. There's something to be said for that.
So we've been using this quite a bit lately to clean carpets, if you've seen our other videos, and it's really a nice way to clean. It's quiet. It does a good job.
This customer here requested this. We cleaned with a rug doctor and extracted, and he was happy with the results. We cleaned with an North Orbiter and a bonnet clean, and he was happy with the results. But ever since we brought this tool up here, he's always asked us to use this method because he believes in the method of the steam. Yeah, everybody knows steam kills and cleans, so we're getting people that once they see this is how they want it. They liked what we did before, but once they see this method, this is what they want.
All right, we're going to move the thing.
Because it's real clean, and they know it is. Like we said before, if you want to run a carpet service, you don't have to work hard to sell steam to your customers. It just naturally works.
We're going to wait till the green light comes back on. Let the boiler heat all the way back up again. Now this is 275 degrees at 50 psi, and there's other steamers out there that have a lot more pressure behind them. And what it is most of the time, you just want a low pressure to clean with. It's green. A low pressure is not going to blast a bunch of stuff around, and it's going to be a good thing. Like on cleaning carpets, you don't need to inject steam way down deep in at a high pressure. 50 psi is plenty. And this gets all the way down to the nap, and helps get anything like embedded dirt and things like that vacuum cleaners leave behind. This helps get in there and break that stuff up. If you go slow enough, it'll disintegrate things basically and just bust them completely up. But you kind of got to adjust your speed depending on how the carpet seems to be to you. If it feels like it's super dirty, slow down a little bit.
You can see it cleaning. If it don't seem to be cleaning, you're going too fast.
Yeah.
If it is cleaning, you're probably doing all right.
Yeah, you gotta be careful you don't trip over the.
Well, you gotta get used to the cords, the hoses and stuff, but it's all right.
I'm gonna turn this light off a little bit, see if that helps. This camera doesn't like light bulbs. It's just not the right color temperature. So sometimes an easy way to clean like an area like this, if you set the steamer kind of in the middle of the room and you just keep working around it, don't pull the steamer around by the hose. You don't want to do that. You want to pick it up and move it to a new spot. So
it probably won't hurt it, but you're not supposed to do it.
You're not supposed to do it. You don't want to have any problems.
Says don't do it.
Don't do it.
You just try not to do that.
Well, that hose gets really pliable in use, and it's real soft, and so it may be easier to damage. Like if you stepped on it when it was hot and pliable, you might be able to smash it down. I'm sure there's a metal hose inside of there, but you still don't want to. You don't want to do anything that will damage it. There's going to be something where you got to send it back to get it fixed. So make sure you check our channel out. We have lots of videos using this steamer for mostly carpets. That's what we do, is clean carpets.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want with one when you buy it. We're carpet cleaners, so
yeah, of course, yeah.
Carpets, floors, and the furniture, that's what we do.
Of course, you can clean your kitchen and you can clean your bathroom and you can clean all your furniture. You can clean your windows. There's all sorts of stuff.
And it goes without saying, it does a great job on hard floors. Grout floors are grout. Just put smooth any hard surface, any carpet. It really does good on everything. We're real impressed with it.
All right, waiting for the green light.
Yeah, it'll be soon. Then we're going to take a long steam because I
There
can
it's
get this
green.
whole place probably from where I'm positioned. In case of any of you wondered, the handle, it don't get hot. You can feel that steam's going through it, but it doesn't get hot where you feel uncomfortable at all.
No, I saw some people have reviewed this on Amazon, and they said the handle gets way too hot, and they can't use it, and we haven't noticed that at all. No, and we use it, as you can see, we use it for extended periods of time, and we haven't had any problems with it. But I think they have changed this since it initially came out, because people used to say it had a rigid floor tool, and it didn't flex, so it was really hard to get around, objects like toilets and things like that. But the one we got does flex, so it's very maneuverable. I don't think we found anything we really don't like about it.
No, I think it's been a win-win all the way.
We haven't really had a situation where we've run out of water
No,
and had
it's
to
never
refill
caused
it.
us to have to quit a job, ever.
You're gonna have to move to get over there all the way.
It's never let us down. It's always made the carpet soak 100% good, and it's never run out of steam during a job ever. We love this thing, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we're gonna get a second one.
We sure are.
We always like to have a replacement handy in case something ever breaks. But also, if you have two of these things and you take them to a job, you can use one while the other one's waiting to be refilled. If you had a big job, and you can go continuously, or two different people can each start at one end and work towards the middle and get something done a lot faster.
The way our customers love this, in all honesty, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't switch methods over time, because people loved. I mean, they loved our bonnet cleaning and stuff too, but this here just thrills people to no end.
Well, one thing we loved about this is it's still a low moisture method, because you're not putting down very much water, and the carpets dry real quickly.
It's dry now.
Yeah, they're damp.
It's just steam hitting it. It's all vapor. It's remarkable how it works. And you can tell by the carpet turning blonde look, and you can see it's just cleaning it. There's no denying that, no arguing about it.
I'll put a link in the video description, a direct link, so you can find these on Amazon. They're an Amazon exclusive currently, so that's the only place you can buy them.
Oh, and we got to say too, Dupray, this is the nicest company we've ever worked with.
Yeah.
They sent us some products to use because we've promoted their steamer on YouTube. Those people have been nothing but nice to us.
Yeah, we've called customer service 2 or 3 different times and always been very happy with the experience.
Yes.
I mean, to be quite honest, you can look on our channel. We did hundreds and hundreds of videos for Rug Doctor. They never said thanks. They never acknowledged us at all. In fact, when we called them one time because we were having a question on one of our units, the lady that answered the phone was real rude. It wasn't because they knew who we were, but they just, they kind of have been really rude to people.
They were very nice, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people complain about the way the company is to deal with. And now we even look at their stuff, and it looks like they're kind of phasing out of the heavy-duty equipment like we liked, and they're going to more just, less expensive, made-in-China stuff that isn't going to be that good. So they look like they're changing their philosophy of their company all around. And so I don't know what's going to be the future with Rug Doctor. And, of course, Oric's a huge corporation worldwide, and they're not going to notice anybody. We put up hundreds of videos on their product, too, and they don't know we exist.
But we got no problem with Oric.
But Dupray's actually contacted us and thanked us for putting up videos on their product.
We heard from them yesterday.
Yeah, and I think they're a company that cares about their customers.
They are. They're a nice company.
A lot more than most companies these days.
That's the truth.
And that's kind of a nice thing, because when you buy a piece of equipment, you're investing in a company. And if they have a good philosophy towards their customers, that's something you want. Because you may have trouble with a unit at some point, and you may need help, and you don't want to buy stuff from companies that are going to not respond to you and they're going to ignore you. And this company's been great to deal with.
They're real nice.
So we highly recommend them as a company. I know they have some reviews on Amazon where people say they didn't have good customer service, but you got to treat that with a grain of salt. And it's possible somebody tried to get a hold of them at a bad time or off hours, but You know, we haven't had any issues at all with them.
No,
So
they've been nothing but great with us.
yeah, they've been very responsive. And they definitely seem like they want to keep us as customers and do whatever they can. Hey, wait, let me move this over a little bit. Just got to do that one little section. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Check the video description for links, and you can go get some, you can go read the customer reviews. And like I said, you can't buy this except on Amazon right now, so that's the only place you're going to find it. But you can go check it out and get more details. And check our other videos out, and if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great. We keep putting up content, so we hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.